G'day guys, Luke Stevens from Port Shipping Containers. We've just finished another workshop shipping container, so I thought we'd go for a quick walk through now before it goes to the client. Come on, we'll go now. From the outside, this looks like just a standard 40-foot high cube container with the addition of a personal access store. This is going to be brilliant for the guys just to walk in and out really easily as they see fit. In addition to this, what we've got is down the other end, we've got our double container doors. Now, we've insulated this container in a way to be able to make sure that the doors are still operational. This gives us the ability to be able to move bulky goods inside this container really easily and lock it up securely when we're done. It's quite surprising sometimes of how much you can actually fit into a 40-foot shipping container. This one, a little bit different to our usual builds. It's fully insulated and got an aircon down one end, so we're going to be nice and cool and comfortable wherever this container goes. We've got custom-made heavy-duty workbenches in this one, makes it a little bit different as well, allowing the customer to put their computers and diagnostic equipment on these felt-covered workbenches and be able to work in a controlled space. Moving down from the custom workbench, now we go into a more of a standard heavy-duty workbench. These are built super tough. You've seen them in previous videos and it's no different to this one. This thing is absolutely bulletproof. Down this end of the shipping container, we've got a ton of 3-tier heavy-duty shelving. This is going to provide a massive amount of storage for our client. And we've got a small amount down the front of the container as well. And this is going to be very specific to the needs of the specialised workbench. We've finished off this shipping container really nicely with plenty of power options for our client. We've got GPOs in the shelving and on the workbenches, and you've got data and plenty of power options for that specialised workbench down the other end. Adequate lighting on the roof and a small window on the side. This will give us a bit of natural light and a bit of ventilation for when the air conditioner is not used. What do you reckon, guys? Pretty awesome, right? Thank you for joining us for this walkthrough of this workshop shipping container. If you've got a project in mind similar to this or something of your own, definitely give us a call. We've got you covered, and don't forget to subscribe.